Got that annoying ring around your toilet that you just cannot get rid of, no matter how much you brush with your toilet brush? No worries. Here's a trick. A pumice stone, also known as a scarrowing stick. You can buy it at Target, Home Depot, Amazon, any place where they sell cleaning supplies. The key is you have to keep it wet to prevent it from scratching. And you see those little grayish black pieces of sand coming off? That's the actual stone grinding down as you use it while it cleans up the ring. So you can use it in toilets, on ovens, on shower glass doors, but you absolutely must keep it wet. And then see how it removes the ring and gets it all nice and crunchified clean.
Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Or if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to share more eco-oily cleaning tips. So don't forget, like, subscribe, love, share, follow along. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and YouTube, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. See you soon. Stay crunchified clean. Peace.